Hi, I'm Rena. I'm an interior decorator and I help busy professionals create the home of their dreams. I'm here to talk about home renovations. Planning a home renovation can be both stressful and exciting at the same time. There's so much information out there and so many options. How do you know where to start? Here are my tips. 1. Plan ahead. Contractors and other home professionals can be booked a few weeks to a few months out. Furniture and other materials can also take a few weeks to a few months to be delivered. Next, make a list and prioritize that list of everything you envision in your new space. Distinguish between the must-haves and the what would be nice to have. If the scope of work changes, then you'll know which items to focus on and which items to cut. Then use your wish list to create a design plan. This not only helps you envision the final space, but it ensures that all your trades are on the same page about scope so that they can give accurate quotes. Whether you use one of the online tools or work with a professional, ensuring that you have a plan in place before starting any work is critical for a successful renovation or decorating project. Create a preliminary budget. Material and labor costs can vary greatly depending on where you live, so try and understand the costs in your area so that you can create a realistic budget. You can use a design plan to make a list of each item you're purchasing as well as the costs. Preliminary budget should include both the renovation costs as well as the cost of any furniture or accessories that you'll be purchasing. For renovations, consider if any of the proposed work requires permits or needs to comply with local ordinances. Permits are often required for things such as demoing load-bearing walls or installing electrical wiring. Permits ensure that the work has been done to code, which means someone knowledgeable is inspecting the work. This ensures there aren't any mistakes which can cause deadly accidents in the future. If you need permits, check with your local permitting office to see what they require. Permits can take time, but making sure you have the proper permits prevents future problems. At this point, you should be interviewing your trades. Make sure they're licensed and insured and check their references. Show them the design plan and walk them through the project site so that they can see the site conditions. This allows them to give you more accurate estimates and timelines for your project. Thanks for watching, and for more design tips, don't forget to subscribe to our channel or our blog. Thank you.